While Sula Vineyards is an alcohol company, they're actually beating all benchmarks in the hospitality sector. Out of their 550 crore top line, about 45 crores is contributed just by wine tourism. They have 75 rooms across their resort, and they say that they have achieved over 82% occupancy rate, which is 10% higher than the industry average for India. In fact, if 60 rooms are occupied for 360 nights in an entire year, that means from each room they make about 21,000 rupees per night. That means each person visiting the resort is spending over 10,000 rupees on stay as well as food and wine in one day. Now that's absolutely crazy, because even the top hotels average tariff per night comes to just about 7,000-8,000 rupees. So they're beating the industry, not just in terms of occupancy rate, but also average revenue per user. Well, this is the beauty of actually utilizing your fixed assets, which means almost 3,000 acres of land very well for captive consumption of a person who's come in. Well, wine tourism was only a marketing activity for them, but they've actually turned it into a profitable venture. A lot more details in the description. Share it with someone who may need it.